Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to open and start a new project in PowerDirector. PowerDirector is designed to let you jump straight into editing whether you want to make a reel, YouTube video or simple clip. Everything begins with creating a new project, which basically your editing workspace. So first you need to open to your PowerDirector app on your device. So over here you can simply go to your new project here. And after that you can go to your media on the left hand side. And over here you can simply select your stock media, or you can also use the background images here. And simply double click on one of the media and drag it down here as well. So over here what you can do is you can also select to this aspect ratio on the bottom right here. You can select for the 9:16, 16:9 for the YouTube, 9:16 for your social media, Instagram as well, and 1:1 for your Instagram post, and pick the one based on where you'll upload. And over here, if you can also add the music in the top, you can go to the AI generated background music, or you can also use the sound effects. Simply double click and drag it down as well. And after selecting media, you can understand the project screen timeline, and you can also trim and click onto this card here and click onto this trim, and this is how you can trim the media as well. And after you're done with it, you can simply export in the top, and that is it. Opening and start a new project in PowerDirector is very simple. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.